Hello and welcome to the fifth video in this expression and formula series. In this video, we'll be covering how to simplify algebraic expression. We'll be solving a total of 4 questions in order to understand this concept. So starting with the first question, that is a upon 5 plus 2a upon 5. So here there are two algebraic fractions that we need to simplify. So in order to simplify these algebraic fractions, first you need to see whether the denominator is same or different. So here in this case the denominator is same, it's just 5 and 5. So we don't need to make the denominator same, we just need to add up the numerators. So it will be a plus 2a upon 5. So here I have just taken a common denominator, that is 5. No need to write 5 and 5 two times under the two different fractions. You can just take 5 as a common denominator. So it will be a plus 2a upon 5. So the answer will be a plus 2a will be 3a over 5. So this is the answer to this question. Moving on to the second question. The second question is 3 upon x minus 5 upon 3x. So now in this question the denominators are different. The technique to solve this type of question is that you need to multiply this denominator with the numerator of other fraction and this denominator with the numerator of this fraction. So it's basically called cross multiplication of denominator and numerators. So it will become 3 times 3x. The minus sign will be copied as it is, 5 times x. So this will be a numerator. In the denominator we will just multiply these two numbers. These two numbers we will just multiply them together. So it will be x times 3x. Now we just need to solve the numerator as well as the denominator to get the final answer. So it will be 3 times 3, that is 9x, plus minus will be minus, and 5 times x is 5x, the whole upon x times 3x, that is 3x square. So the answer to this question is 9x minus 5x will be 4x divided by 3x square. So 4x upon 3x square, it's not the final answer because here we can further simplify it. This x will be cancelled out and this power 2 will be cancelled out because effectively there is 1x in the numerator and 2x in the denominator. So we can just cancel 1x. So in the denominator only 1x will remain. So the final answer will be 4 upon 3x. This is the final answer. Now moving on to question number 3. Question number 3 is a upon 6 plus 2 upon 4q. So here just like question number 2, the denominators are different, which means that we need to adopt the approach which we use to solve question number 2. So we need to multiply this denominator with this numerator and this denominator with this numerator. So the answer will be a times 4q, plus sign will be written as it is, 2 times 6, and in the denominator we just need to multiply these two numbers. So it will be 6 times 4q. Now we just need to simplify the numerator and denominator. So it will be a times 4q as 4aq and 2 times 6 is 12 upon 6 times 4q is 24q. So now this expression can be further simplified. And how can you simplify it? You just need to take out 4 as common from the numerator. So when we take 4 as common, it will be 4 will be taken out and inside the bracket only aq will remain. Similarly, plus sign will be written as it is and 4 times 3 is 12. So in the bracket we will be having a cube plus 3. The whole will be divided by 24q. So now you can just simplify it. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 6 is 24. So the final answer to this question will be a cube plus 3 upon 6q. So this is the final answer to this question. Now moving on to the last question. The last question is 6x plus 12 upon 3. So in this question, you just need to simplify this fraction, this algebraic fraction. So how will you simplify this fraction? The first step is you need to identify which number you can take out as common from the numerator. So as we can see that from the numerator we can take 3 as common. So when we take 3 as common, in the bracket it will be 2x plus 4, and in the denominator we have just 3. So the second step is you just need to cancel out the numerator as well as the denominator. So this 3 will be cancelled out with this 3. So the answer is 2x plus 4. I hope that this concept of simplifying algebraic expression is clear to you. Still, if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.